Namaste everyone, I'm Smriti and I'm a professionally trained yoga teacher. Today we are going to talk about some practices which are going to give you a beautiful and glowy skin. So that's how we are going to do it. First of all, we are going to start with Kapalbhati kriya. This removes all the toxins from our body. So that's how we are going to do it. Taking a deep breath, slow strokes of exhalation. Once again, taking a deep breath. And we're going to do this for 5 to 6 times. And the second practice which we're going to do is known as Varun Mudra. For that, we are going to join our thumb and the last finger, place it on your knees, spine straight, and hold this mudra for around 10 minutes. This mudra is going to work on your hydration level and is going to give you a clear and beautiful skin. And now we are going to do one asana known as Ushadasan. So for that, we are going to stand on our knees, arms at shoulder level. As I'm going to inhale, I'm going to hold my right heel with my right hand, my left heel with my left hand, and then leaning forward, dropping the head at the back. Those who are having cervical related issues, please don't do this practice. Then slowly release and relax. The next practice which we are going to do is known as Nadi Shudhan. For that, we are going to use our right hand. We are going to block our right nostril with the right thumb and we are going to inhale from left side. Hold the breath for a few seconds and then slowly exhale it from right side. Then again inhale it from right side, hold and exhale it from left side. This is one round and we are supposed to do this for around 4 to 5 minutes. And the last practice which we are going to do is my personal favorite, which is known as Kapol Shaktivika. We are going to use this gesture of the hands, this mudra, and we are going to inhale from the mouth. We are going to blow our cheeks and join our chin to the chest. So this is how we are going to do it. Gulp it in and relax. So these are the practices, if done daily, are going to give you a beautiful and healthy skin. Bye.